Hello, good afternoon everyone. Happy to say you I'm completed my 80 hours driving within last 2 months with the busy schedule. I completed more than 5,000 kilometers just in around New South Wales. I've been many places, fantastic places around the New South Wales. My actually journey start from 21st August. So I'll keep you updated. It's fantastic journey. I almost did my 80 hours. Why I'm telling you this? Because in Australia, before you get the license for young student, they need to complete 120 hours. That's what I'm teaching them last 11 years. Now I need to figure it out. Why is 120 and what is the importance in that? But I find out it's good in different conditions. You need to drive, especially early in the morning, evening, busy traffic, quiet road, up hills, down hills, gravel surface, single lane bridge and things. So I went to the city, Sydney city as well, and it's a fantastic journey. And thank you for your support. I'm going to India for next 2 weeks. Once I came back, again practice is on, and we start our journey 21st of August 2022 for our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Thank you.